Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I want to share with you my phone cover case. I'm going to show it to you up close and how I love it, but it is a really great quality case. This is not the first one I've had from this company. I just love them, and I'm going to show you the details now. So here, the yellow that you see is actually like a foam within the cover. So it's got a little cushion, which is really awesome. And this is the back of it. You can lift that so that when you stand it up like so, or on its side like that, it stands up perfectly. And this thing is just, I love it. Feel so protected with this case on my phone. So there you have it. I love this case. Go get yourself one, and that's just my point of view.